Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Matic, Polygon, Matic, Polygon, POL, token, local updates with my customer request. Let's dive in. Guys, I already posted the video about Polygon and highly recommend you go and double check the video what I shared about a bull run plan for this token. Around here, I posted the video and the Polygon consolidate around to 0.23 level by FIP and 0 level, and our market it's kind of scary because we didn't test the 27 block. 27 block on a weekly time frame I use personally like investment zone, and some guy posted the good comment. He compared the Arbitrum and a POL, and if choose between the Arbitrum and POL, which one is better? And I totally agree with this guy. So the POL looks much better because of more tokens in circular supply, pretty same market capitalization and potential. So POL don't have now some big unlocks or so, and of course I totally understand that the Arbitrum can be like a fresh new token narrative or so, but anyway, it will not help. It will not help on a distance. Maybe will not help. So let's double check. So this is a, let's delete it. So this is a zone, first zone where we can stop. If this was not a bottom, a local bottom, right? For the POL, this one, if this is not a bottom, and we will see another dip, right? Where we can stop. And the reason, first one, we can analyze. This is a gap, monthly gap. We tested only 0.23 by FIP. So this is a monthly gap, what we'll leave it here since February 2021. And imagine after basically 4 years, we come back and perfectly test the 0.23 level by FIP, 15 cents. What we can see here, 15 cents and 106. All right. Next step, where more chances for a big bounce, right? What we can see is 0.5 level by FIP and 61. So 11.60 and 10 cents. This one. Next one is 7 cents 73, 6 cents 73. So this one. And also we can count, that 27 block of this range is maybe can be the better one a little bit here. So with just a few tens, even the penny, few tens didn't touch the 14 cents 5555. So it's 0.5 level by FIP of 27 block. But of course, we can work in a complex. It can be the gap on a monthly time frame and the 27 zone on the weekly. So would be good, of course, to stop now and skyrocket from these current prices, but also can be the good one if we will see the drop, one more capitulation on altcoins. Again, it's 4. POL, it's 14.5555, 12 cents, 299, and around 7 and 6 cents. It will be the best entries. Should we drop now? I'm not sure, and it's not an answer because we can bounce to 0.5 level by FIP, and after that, in the next bear market, drop and close that monthly gap and that targets. If you believe in new all-time high for POL, it's $4.05. I at least wait $1.68 and $2. This one targets. At that targets, I will double check POL again, to understand the potential of the token for upside move, based on the time, based on BTC dominance. If we go back to the weekly time frame, we need the crucial moment. We need to break this structure. So we need to break the 76 cents, 80, to talk about an uptrend. Until we not break this high, we are still in a downtrend. It's kind of bad. Sorry, guys, but yes, it's kind of bad. This cycle is so depressed. It's like, we can call it a depression cycle for altcoins. And yes, it's totally different picture than previous one because, guys, at least in the previous one, there was not that much institutional in the market, not that much amount of tokens, and liquidity was enough to pump the tokens. Now, all liquidity in BTC, liquidity in ETF, Ethereum, BTC, now is the sole Some top tokens perform, like XRP, previously injective, FAT, AI sector, Ethereum, Sol, HBAR, yes, can say perform a little bit. Some meme coins, yes, of course, perform, but this is not what we saw it in the previous cycle. So, not a wide circle of altcoins perform, just some of them. What we can see now on weekly time frame with my customer said, guys, and a daily time frame. So technically, of course, we can't catch exact bottom now. If you believe in POL, it's okay. It's okay time for accumulation. So it's between 24 cents and the 5 cents. In this range, I showed you the zones where you can start accumulate. Also the reasons here. This is accumulation, pump. This is accumulation, absolutely the same one. Same accumulation. So the last time we pump at 160%. So this time, if, for example, this is a bottom, what's the bottom? 160%, it can be around here, 40 cents. So this is a capitulation on the market mood. So everything okay. Here's a step-by-step money inflow into Matic. So it's good. The problem with the time. We can trade, yes, longer in this range, you know, and the best time will be at 10, 7, 6 cents for Matic. And here's a buy on the daily. This is a disbelief on daily, also bullish one, guys. Unfortunately, the next this one, July and August, we can form the spring. You know, if you know the Wyckoff reaccumulation or the distribution, you remember. So we form something like range, and after that, spring drop, final stage, and recover back, unstoppable move up to the first trouble area. So technically, you can see everything on your screen, you know, about the metrics on a daily time frame with my customer side, guys. Zones, yes, it's kind of white zone, but if choose between the Matic and the Arbitrum, even by price, now it's 18 cents with the more tokens in circular supply. And if we compare with the Arbitrum, you know, the last tokens in circular supply, 36 price now, so it's like twice bigger, right? So of course the POL Matic looks more attractive. Money power I showed you. Take profit. Here is we can drop. This is what I want to tell you. 14 to 14 cents 20. Yes, we can test the buy line again and test the 0.5 level of FIP. 12 time frame is 13.74. For the value, it's 10.22 on 12 time frame. For the value on daily, 10.64. So this is it, guys. We trade on the FMA value, so usually it's good. It's good time to buy. With the targets I showed you, so it's take profit 72, break the structure, exit line 81. I wish to see, honestly, something like this one, maybe reject it as $1 and build the uptrend structure. To this go. After that, we need to check what's going on in global in the market. So guys, this is a zone where more than okay accumulate a POL, I guess, with the local targets and middle term targets. And after that, we can talk about the potential all-time high or not. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.